pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Riverdale Park, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you relocating to Pleasant Hills? Moving out of Pleasant Hills? Wherever life is taking you, we got you covered. Whether your new home or office is going to be in another city, state, or all the way internationally, we offer our services to cover any residential or commercial move. We can accommodate your long-distance move no matter how far you are going. All our movers are licensed and experienced in tackling your all-moving needs. We provide every service from packing your stuff to loading everything up and ensuring safety of your goods until they reach your doorstep. You get our services at competitive prices and a free estimated expense of your move in advance. Our movers understand your concerns and encourage open communication throughout the completion of your move. Don't worry, 3 men and a truck is here to save your time and efforts. Our moving crew is experienced at addressing local moves. We will pack and load your stuff and move everything to your new location, along with resetting your furniture. In just one day, you'll be all set to enjoy your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Riverdale Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.